Hi students, last day we have seen kinds of sentences. Now, as I told, we will see each of kind of sentences in details. Let us see the first one, that is assertive or declarative sentence. The definition is given here. Let us see. What is assertive or declarative sentence? It makes a statement of fact or assertion. Okay, it makes a statement in sentence or statement of fact, real fact or assertion. Then it ends with a full stop. Simple definition is given here. Let us see the examples here. The first example is given here. They worked hard. It is a fact. They worked hard. Starts with the subject, verb and object that we know. Work shows the action that we know that it is a main verb. They worked hard. Simple sentence. Next one example is there. We traveled through India. We traveled through India. It is an assertion. Yes, we traveled through India. We say that one. So these are the definitions and examples of declarative and assertive sentences. Now we will see the kinds of assertive sentences in details. Okay.
Stop for
Pause. See the types of assertive sentences. There are two types of assertive sentences. The first one is affirmative or positive sentences. Okay, and the next one is negative sentence, which are having not, none, never, these kinds of words. Okay, for example, see the first one I have here. I have just finished making a cup of coffee. I have just finished. Perfect tense is there. Perfect past tense. I have just finished making a cup of coffee. It is affirmative sentence because it is not having negative words. It is not having any negative words. Second one, my maid has not cleaned the floor. My maid has not cleaned the floor. Here the word not is used, so it is a negative sentence. These are the examples of positive and negative or affirmative or negative sentence. Now for the exam we have to do the transformation of sentences. Okay, so what is transformative sentences? Either we have to make assertive to negative or negative to assertive. Okay, so here I have given you an example. I am a good student. I am a good student. For transformation of sentences, we can write as I am not a good student. Here, I am a good student. I am not a good student. Straightly. Or it can be like that with changing in meaning. Changing in meaning is here. So why? I am a good student. Yes, I am a good student. Here saying that I am not a good student. But for example, we have to write that without changing the meaning of given sentence. How? Let us see. I am a good student. I am a good student. What? I am a good student. That what I don't have? I am not a bad student. The word good for we have to use bad. Opposite word we have to use. For making for that we can find it easily. We are not changing the meaning of the sentence. I am a good student. Yes, I am a good student. That is what? I am not a bad student. So this is the transformation of sentences. Now we will see each kind of. We know that kinds of sentences are there. Types of sentences are there. We will see each of type of sentence without changing the meaning in transformation sentences here. Now see transformation of sentences. Here I have given you some examples. Okay, such kinds of see 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one affirmative to negative sentence, making affirmative and negative sentence. For example, first one. I was doubtful. I was doubtful whether it was you. I was doubtful whether it was you. It will be in I was not sure. For doubtful, it means that not sure. Opposite words I have used here without changing in meaning. The rule for the exam that without changing meaning we have to transform the sentence from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, just like this. I was doubtful. I was doubtful means what? I was not sure. Let us say second one. Everybody was present. Everybody was present, That means what? Everybody opposite is nobody. Everybody opposite is nobody. Everybody was present. It means that nobody was absent. Opposite words also used here. For everybody, use nobody plus opposite words. Simple rule is there. Next thing, I am more intelligent. I am more intelligent than you. I am more intelligent than you. Then that means what? It is a degree of comparison. More uses here. I am more intelligent than you. CD is there. Comparative degree is there. Then we have to make you are not so intelligent as I. So as or as in between that one. The first kind of that word we have to use here. I am more intelligent than you. In PD, in positive degree, we have to write that without changing the meaning. You are not so intelligent or as intelligent as I. Okay. Then fourth one. Only a fool will tell you this. Only a fool will tell you this. Only a fool will tell you this. It means what? Only is meant that none. Only a fool will tell you this. This means what? None but a fool. None but a fool. None but a fool will tell you this. Here we can write for ourselves. We can write as for only. For only we have to use none but. Only we have to use that none plus but. Only a fool will tell you this. That means what? None but a fool will tell you this. Okay. Now go to further. Here are some examples with using some words. In exams, they will ask us that using this word, we have to make that transformation of sentences. The first one, take this here. If there is only or alone word is there in the sentence, only or alone word will be there, then we have to transfer it in none but or nothing but or not more than or not less than as per the demand or as per the sentence given below. Let us take an example. The first one. A brave man alone can do this. A brave man. Singular person, a brave man. Alone, the word is used here. A brave man alone can do this. Okay, possibly can use possibilities there. Here, if there is only, we have to do like this. For this one, none, because it is singular one. None but a brave man. For alone, we have used here none but. None but a brave man can do this. Understood? Second one. I need a book only. I need a book only. I need a book only. In that one, I need a book only. I need nothing but. Here use a book. That's why we use nothing but a book. If, let's take next one. If in sentence there will be must or have to or can. Must have to, it shows obligation. Can, if these words will be there, then we have to transfer in can not but. We have to use that word cannot but in that sentence. For example, see, you have to drink clean water. You have to drink clean water. Okay, you have to drink a clean water. Then the transformation will be have to. Obligation is there. Compulsion is there. Have to use here. You have to drink a clean water. You have to drink clean water. It means you cannot but drink clean water. Here we have to use cannot but. Keep in mind that only. Simple rule is there. If must or have to or can, the words is there in the sentence. For transformation of sentence in negative, we have to use only this one. Cannot but. Do nothing. Only remember this one. Next one. See. If in that sentence, the sentence has and or both, those words will be there. Then for transformation, we have to use not only but also, that you know. Not only but also. Simple sentence. Example. He ate eggs and vegetables. He ate eggs and vegetables. Okay. Here and word is used here. And. If and or both will be there, then use not only but also. Then he ate eggs and vegetables. So answer will be he ate not only eggs but also vegetables. So important, so easy type I am giving here. Keep in mind only that you can remember these sentences or by heart these sentences only for this example. You can write any question in answer in your notebook or in paper. Now see another one using every. If in their sentence every word will be there, every, we have to use there is no but. There is no but. Let us see the example. Every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her. That we know universal truth word is there. Every mother loves her child. For making this one, every if there will be a word every, then we have to write as per the rule. As per the rule, there is no mother. There is no mother. There is starts with there is no mother. There is no mother, but loves her child. You can say that, sir, I can write this as there is no mother who hates her child. Negative word hates her child, but it will be wrong. Why? Because rule is given here, and we have to go through the rule. So, through the rule, if every word will be there, then we have to use there is ... but. So, for that example, once again see, every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. Start with the word every. For that, we use that there is no. Then put the subject is here, mother. In between that, but loves her child. Simple. Next see, if there will be everybody. Simple. We have seen there. We have seen last example. Everybody, nobody. Simple. Everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower, that means nobody here likes opposite dislike. Everybody likes flower, that means everybody dislikes flower. Nobody dislikes flower. Okay. Always. If the sentence contains always words, then we have to transfer in never plus opposite word. Never plus that opposite words that we use for making that one. For example, I am always against of smoking. I am always against of smoking. Against is there. Word opposite word is there. Against. I am always plus always. Okay. I am always against of smoking. Then in negative sentence there will be I am never. Always it will be never in favor. In favor is opposite word of this one. Always opposite word is here. I am never in favor of smoking. Same meaning is here. Next one. If the sentence having universal truth. Universal truth will be the sentences are there that we will see in active passive voice. Okay. If there will be a universal truth word sentence, therefore transformation here we have to use interrogative negative sentence. How? Let us see. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Universal truth word is there. Knowledge is power. Therefore, as per the rule of grammar, English grammar, make it interrogative negative sentence. Then how? It should be like that. It is present tense. It is present tense. That's why we use present plus not word. That auxiliary verb plus not verb is that one. Isn't knowledge power? Isn't knowledge power? Question mark should be there because we have to make it interrogative sentence. Simple sentence. Guys, if there will be another one, if they given us to negative sentence and they ask to make in assertive, simple. We have to transform like this, like that one. Okay. So here we have seen some examples of assertive to negative sentences. In further examples, we will see that another one of interrogative sentence, transformation of interrogative sentence and types of interrogative sentences in details. Thank you for watching this.